Fishing in the rain. Focus question. How does Grandpa Grizzly help the hoppers enjoy their camp trip? The hoppers had 1 week left before school began. They were supposed to go camping with Grandpa Grizzly, but it rained and rained. Come on, hoppers, we'll go camping, rain or shine, said Grandpa Grizzly. When the hat get wet and floppy ears, we won't be able to build a campfire, said Speedy Legs. Our hot dogs and marshmallows will get soggy, said Fluffy Tail. Camping isn't any fun in the rain, sniffed Sunny Nose. But fish always bite when it rains, said Grandpa Grizzly. He pulled out 4 new fishing poles for the hoppers. We'll go fishing, cried the hoppers. Thank you, Grandpa Grizzly. The 4 hoppers carried their poles into the woods. Grandpa Grizzly set up its big tent. It said it was dry and comfortable, but the hoppers didn't mind the rain. They sat on the bank of the river and fished. Grandpa Grizzly said, "You must be very quiet so you don't scare the fish." Just then, Speedy Legs began to sneeze. He sneezed so loudly that not a fish would bite. Then Floppy Ears began to cough. She coughed so much that the fish all swam away. I think we have been in the rain too long, said Grandpa Grizzly. We should go in the tent before you all catch scolds. But I want to fish some more, said Snubby Nose. You can catch 1 more time, said Grandpa Grizzly. Her nose cut so as far as he could, but he cut so hard that he fell right into the water. Help me, cried Snubby Nose. I can't swim. Grandpa Grizzly jumped into the river and pulled Snubby Nose up. Then he carried Snubby Nose to shore and wrapped a towel around him. Oh no, my fishing pole is still in the water, cried Snubby Nose. Grandpa Grizzly leapt bravely back into a chilly river. He found Snubby Nose and put on a muddy bottom. Then he headed into Snubby Nose before getting out of the water. He hung his cat on something. Then Snubby Nose, something is pulling on the line. Speedy Legs. It's wriggling around. And Fluffy Tail. It's bendy and poor, said Floppy Ears. You caught a fish, Snubby Nose, said Grandpa Grizzly. Reel it in. Snubby Nose pulled the pole on the pole and reeled the line in. The fish was so strong, all the hoppers had to help him pull. Finally, they caught the biggest fish they had ever seen. Let's go into our tent and have a fish dinner, said Grandpa Grizzly. All the hoppers went into a tent, dried off, and ate a fresh fish dinner. They went camping and fished for 5 days. And Grandpa Grizzly was the only one who caught a cold.